In this video, I'll show you how to earn money from Facebook using your phone and what requirements you need to meet. Facebook offers several ways to make money if you create content and grow your page or profile. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into the account you want to monetize. Tap the menu icon and go to Professional Dashboard if you have professional mode or a page. This section shows your monetization tools and eligibility. One common way to earn money is through in-stream ads on your videos. To qualify, your page usually needs at least 10,000 followers, around 600,000 total minutes of video watch time in the last 60 days, and several active videos on your page. Another option is stars, where viewers can send you stars during your videos and you earn money from them. To access this feature, you must follow Facebook's community standards and have an active page or professional profile. You can also earn through subscriptions where followers pay monthly to support your content. Make sure your account follows Facebook's monetization policies and posts original content regularly. Consistent posting and audience engagement help you qualify faster. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials.